Muhammad Nuraiman. My matrix number is 07DEE25F1023. So today I will talk about precaution before using a multimeter. First, you need to check it completely before using it. Check the body of the multimeter for cracks or damage. Second, inspect the probes, red and black leads for cuts, frays or exposed metal. Then ensure the needle is clear and functioning. This because damaged probes or casing can lead to inaccurate readings or even electric shock. A crack in solution might expose live wire. Second, we must to verify its functionality. Test the multimeter on known source or use the built-in self-test if available. You can test resistance by measuring a non-resistor. It is because verifying functionality ensure the meter is working correctly before you rely on it in a live or potentially dangerous circuit. And lastly, we must work with a partner. If possible, have someone nearby while performing electrical measurement, especially on high voltage system. It is because working alone with electricity will increase risk. The second person can provide help immediately if something goes wrong. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, hello. So my name is Muhammad Kiwaikal. Matrix number 07DEE25F1002. And right now I'm going to show on how to measure a resistor. Okay, so if you want to measure a resistor, first of all you need to turn on your multimeter and choose a range. And then first of all you need to calibrate the multimeter. Make sure the needle is go to 0. Oh my god. Okay, so the needle is already go to 0. And then go check your resistor. And first of all you need to identify the color. So right here we have brown, black and yellow, which is 100k ohm. Brown is 1, black is 0 and yellow is equals to 4. So let's check. So as you can see, the needle is go to 100 ohm. So all we had to do is 100 multiplied by our range 1k, that is equal to 100k. So that's all for my explanation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mark. I'm from DEE1A and my matrix number is 07DEE25F1107. Today I'm gonna show you how to measure the voltage. You can see there is 1.5 battery and multimeter in front of me. First of all, you need to turn the multimeter to the 10 scale. Then touch the positive and negative sides to the positive and negative sides, like this. As you can see, it is show 1.5 volt. After that, don't forget to off your multimeter. That's all from me. Thank you.